Imagine walking into a factory and seeing a robot working next to a human seamlessly and efficiently. This isn't science fiction, this is 2025. Will robots replace human workers, or will automation enhance what humans already do? Let's explore the future of work in manufacturing where AI steps onto the factory floor. AI and automation have already transformed how factories operate. Today's smart factories are filled with robotic arms that weld, assemble, inspect, and package. These machines are often faster and more accurate than humans. AI makes them even smarter, predicting failures and adjusting workflows in real time. So, what jobs are AI and robots replacing? Repetitive tasks like welding, sorting, labeling, and inspection are now automated. For example, Tesla uses AI robots to paint cars and assemble battery packs. This reduces labor costs and boosts productivity. But not all jobs are being replaced. Humans still excel at creative problem solving and quality assurance. They maintain and repair robots, handle custom tasks, and innovate on the fly. Enter the Cobot, a collaborative robot. Cobots are designed to work with people, not replace them. They help with tasks like holding parts, assisting in precision assembly, and reducing strain injuries. As automation grows, companies are upskilling workers for technical roles. An assembly worker might become a robot technician or AI supervisor. Governments and industries are investing in training programs to prepare the workforce. Let's break down the pros and cons of factory automation. Pros: higher efficiency, fewer errors, safer work, and long-term cost savings. Cons: job displacement, retraining, demands, and ethical concerns with AI. By 2030, up to 45% of manufacturing tasks could be automated. But that doesn't mean 45% of jobs will vanish. Jobs will evolve, blending human skills with smart machines. Imagine factories where humans supervise fleets of intelligent machines. People setting goals, solving problems, and innovating side by side with AI. So, will robots take our jobs? Some yes. But they'll also create new ones we haven't imagined yet. The future belongs to those who adapt, learn, and lead the change. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights from AI in motion.